Right, I'm on the way to Karabakan prison. This is my driver.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah, YouTuber. Well, not really. More Facebooker. So yeah, I had to do this. While the weather's overcast, I've got to go. You heard what Debbie said earlier about me going to prison, so that's not very nice at all. This is what I'm seeing. Oh. This is what I'm seeing, all the shops either side. This is where you get the best bargains in town. You can see everything's either selling clothes or haircuts or tattoos. There's a good tattooist actually that we just passed back there. A couple of people from the hotel have had theirs done here. Here's is that Battlehead tattoo or Brotherhood tattoo. Yeah, there's obviously so many artists. I don't know whether they're like qualified or whether they just train for years, but it's obviously a huge business out here. Driver says it will take about half an hour to get to Karabakan. I mean, look, we're pushed right to the side of the road. People are lunatics here. Everyone's got a bike. These lights flash, but I don't think they ever go red, and I don't know what they mean. There are cameras here, there, and everywhere. More for seatbelts. They take a picture if you're wearing seatbelts, obviously if you're in a car. On a bike, there's kind of no rules, no helmets needed. It's weird. And when you're on a taxi like this, you kind of take your life in your hands. But the nice thing is, because this is the middle of the day, we're going 13, 14, 50 miles an hour tops. It's very, very busy, so we're not going to be rushing there. There's people crossing the road. Another jewellery, another tattoo place. Yeah, it's so lovely. About 3 days to go. Yeah, then our holiday to Bali ends. I'll be coming home with a tattoo, a lifetime of memories, and some new friends. And for me, that's a pretty successful holiday. Oh look, they walk out here with the flag and then they let people go. There's these guys, they work at every hotel. What's this guy doing right in the middle of the road? And they walk out and stop traffic, and you have to stop on a dime. Strangely enough, I haven't seen many accidents here. Oh, I think it's just started raining again. There's the Balinese flag. Yeah, another tattoo place. Right, next time I'll be here, we'll be back at the prison. See you soon.